give you a brief overview of what we've covered so far. We talked about the atomic nuclei. These folks have a core. They have a core that we call a nucleus. This one does as well. And in that nucleus, there are two entities, the protons and the neutrons. The protons, as you might recall, have a certain charge. I'm not going to tell you what the charge is, but I'll remind you the story that's tied to this charge. It says a very long time ago, one Sir Rutherford conducted an experiment. And through this experiment, if I understood the experiment correctly, please correct me if I'm wrong, he exposed a nucleus to a surface,